Did you know that with just one simple command, you can turn your Windows PC into a powerful Linux system? That's exactly what we're going to do today using WSL2. But first, why do we even need Linux? The answer is simple. Most modern development, AI, machine learning, Docker, cloud computing, and open source tools are built for Linux first. Many popular AI projects don't even support Windows natively, making Linux the preferred environment for developers. The best part? You don't need to dual boot or install a separate operating system. With WSL2, you can run Ubuntu directly inside Windows and get the best of both worlds. To install WSL Linux, first run PowerShell as administrator. Run WSL install command. Choose a username and password. That's it, your WSL is installed. To check, open command prompt window. Type WSL. That's it. You now have WSL2 and Ubuntu running on your Windows PC, giving you a full Linux environment without dual booting or a virtual machine. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials on AI, Linux, open source tools, and development. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the installation, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.